This week, we embark on an exploration of the sensual expression found in the artworks of Félix Vallotton. He was a Swiss painter known for his unique contribution to the post-impressionist and symbolist movement. Félix Vallotton lived between the years 1865 and 1925. He was a member of Les Nabis, a group of artists who combined visual art with spiritual expression, symbolism, and decorative style. Vallotton is not just a painter. He's a storyteller guiding us to explore delicate layers of human emotion and connection. His paintings seduce the viewers into a world where color and form entwine in an intimate dance. Vallotton's compositions are bold and spontaneous. He infuses his canvases with a palette that wavers between deep decorative tones and soft pastels. Every one of his brushstrokes feels deliberate, placed with intention, as if he is whispering secrets to the viewers. His sensual concepts often explore themes of intimacy, desire, and human form. They frequently feature a striking use of color, combining deep, rich tones with lighter hues to evoke a sense of mood and emotion. The contrast between light and shadow enhances the sensuality of his subjects, drawing us into their world. Vallotton captivates the viewers with his portrayal of affection and connection. His figures are not just static, they are alive, intertwined in private dream. In his intimate settings, Vallotton captures the essence of closeness. Each one of his paintings resonates with the subtle energy of shared space, beckoning us to witness the quiet conversations that unfold in the soft glow of twilight. Vallotton explores personal and intimate moments in his paintings. His figures are often portrayed in private spaces, engaged in acts of love or contemplation. The closeness of figures, whether in a tender embrace or a quiet moment of reflection, captures the complexity of human relationships. Vallotton renders the nude form with grace and authenticity. Each contour is celebrated, devoid of pretense. He simplifies forms, focusing on the essence rather than just detail, giving the figures a sculptural quality. They possess a weight, a presence that invites admiration and contemplation. The elegance of their poses speaks volumes, capturing a moment of presence and truth. Nudity in Vallotton's work transcends the physical look. It becomes a celebration of vulnerability and strength. His figures exist in harmony with their surroundings. They invite a reverent gaze infused with a sense of tranquility. The interplay of flesh against soft fabrics and mundane domestic objects create an emotional juxtaposition. Nudity is as natural as the sunlight pouring through the window. As viewers, we are invited to engage not just with what we see, but with what we feel. He invites us to dive deep into the quiet yet festive waters of love and existence. Félix Vallotton was born in Lausanne, Switzerland. He grew up in a French-speaking environment and showed an early interest in art. When he was 17 years old, he moved to Paris to pursue his artistic career. He began studying painting technique at the Académie Julian. As a professional painter, Vallotton is known for his distinctive style characterized by bold colors, strong outlines, and a flat, decorative quality. He was also a skilled printmaker, producing notable woodcuts that often depicted intimate domestic scenes and landscapes. Vallotton also wrote art criticism and published essays on various subjects. During his 30s, he gained recognition in France and internationally, with his works exhibited in various galleries. He continued to paint until his death in 1925 in Paris. Félix Vallotton's contributions to the art world have been increasingly recognized in recent years, with exhibitions celebrating his work and his influence on modern art. His unique approach to color and form continues to inspire artists and art enthusiasts all over the art world. If you wish to receive videos of the same nature, please subscribe and hit the bell and let us know below what you think about Félix Vallotton's paintings.